Israel used banned weapons on Gaza. Physicians and human rights activists say evidence shows Israel used internationally banned weapons against civilians during its recent military offensive against the Gaza Strip. Press TV reports. According to international experts and physicians present during the most recent Israeli onslaught on Gaza, Tel Aviv once again used dense inert metal explosive dimes, which are usually carried by U.S.-made Hellfire rockets, against Gaza's heavily populated residential areas. Injuries caused by dime bombs, also used during Israel's 2009 offensive, are distinguishable from injuries caused by other weapons. Most of the weapons that were used to kill hundreds of civilians in Gaza contained depleted uranium. They also used new weapons that even international experts were unable to figure out their types. Gaza Bombs Disposal Squad Ahmad Abudeh said, reports indicate that Israel also used armor-piercing AP bombs, causing massive explosions resulting in large numbers of civilian casualties, including many women and children. Thermobaric weapons were also used to burn down entire residential buildings in Gaza. Meanwhile, the Palestinian Center for Human Rights, PCHR, said millions of kilograms of explosives were indiscriminately dumped on civilians in Gaza. Experts also say that Israeli forces used internationally banned munitions like flechette shells, which contain depleted uranium and other chemical agents during the recent summit on Gaza. Internationally renowned Gaza-based Norwegian doctor Mads Gilbert said Israeli soldiers targeted and killed Palestinian children. Israel started targeting beyond